السلام عليكم جميعا. اليوم أريد منكم أن تفتحوا المايكات وأيضا تفتحوا الفيديو. عايزاكم النهاردة تتفاعلوا مع كل كلمة بقولها. I need you to respond to every word I say today because today is a party, a big party. It is the last letter of Arabic. It is the letter Ya. What is this letter? It is the letter Ya. إنه حرف الياء. Ya. Non-Arabic speakers, please. Ya.
Yeah.
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 Yes,
Yeah.
open your mics. I want to see and listen to everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah. يا عسل انتوا يا عسل. You are honey.
يا حلاوة.
يا هو أول حرف في كلمة يد.
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 Only two letters. فقط حرفان. الياء والدال.
ده.
عملوا لي 5 صوابع. 5 fingers which are يد.
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 يد. This is
يد.
when حرف الياء comes at the beginning of the word. يا. يد. But it may be come at the middle of the word. In the other color or the other picture here is عين. عين.
عين.
عين.
عين.
What is عين?
Ice.
Ice.
One eye.
Eye.
We have 2 eyes, right?
Yeah.
So عين. عين واحدة فقط. عين.
عين
But
واحد.
the 2 eyes means عينان. عينان. نعم. ولكن هذه صورة عين واحد.
عين.
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 هذه عين وهذه عين ومن عيناي هذه المحاضرة. من عيناي أعطيكم هذه المحاضرة. From my eyes I give you this educational session. Okay? So,
محاضرة يعني educational session. محاضرة.
yes, educational session. Yes.
Okay.
So, we have يد and عين.
عين.
Okay? ياء ممكن يكون موجود في بداية الكلمة أو في نهايتها أو في وسطها. So, حرف الياء عنده عدة أشكال. Many figures of letter ياء. At the beginning and at the middle, at the end. Also this one at the end.
مرلي.
Morley, very good.
آخر واحد. آخر يا.
Yes, very good. This is some words have letter ya. At the beginning, you, يحب. Morley يحب الاجتماع.
What do you have means?
يحب means love.
Huh?
Love. Love. Okay?
Love.
Yes. يحب. ضيفنا عبد الله.
يحب.
Yes. ضيفنا الأستاذ عبد الله يحب تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية. Okay? So يحب like to or love to. Okay. Who will put يحب in an Arabic sentence? The non-Arabic people, please put يحب in Arabic sentence.
خالد يحب يلعب كرة القدم.
Excellent. ممتازة جمعنا. برافو. مورلي.
مرلي يحب Arabic.
Oh, مورلي يحب اللغة العربية. اللغة العربية مورلي. Will you please repeat it again? مورلي يحب اللغة العربية.
يحب العربية.
اللغة العربية.
اللغة العربية.
Yes, this is the last letter. So you have to be very good in Arabic. Okay? Okay. So Alka, DTM Alka Kumra. يحب.
أنا يحب الزهراء.
Okay. أنا أحب حرف الألف the first letter. Do you remember the first letter?
Yes.
أنا أحب الزهراء. الزهراء. Okay. Say that your husband, what he like.
أنا جوزت أحب
ألكا كمرة.
شاي.
Yes, very good. يحب, I mean that someone else.
Okay.
But he is man, not woman. If woman, تحب. جمانة تحب القهوة.
أوكي تحب.
صحيح.
أنا عارفة. Morally يحب الشاي. Okay. يحب for man, تحب for woman. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. This is the second word is teen. Teen. What's the meaning of teen? I need Arabic people. Tell me what is the meaning of teen in English. What is teen? Teen.
It is a fruit, fig.
Yes, bravo. It's a fruit and it is a fig. Yes. Its name in English is fig.
Fig.
Fig or teen in Arabic has letter ya at the middle. At the middle of the word. At the middle here, letter ya. But here it was at the beginning. In this word, it is in the middle. Teen. مد بالياء. مد بالياء. Teen.
Teen.
Yes, teen. Okay. Who will give me another word has مد بالياء in the middle, like teen.
Feel.
Feel. Excellent. Excellent. Feel. So, who can put teen in an Arabic sentence for non-Arabic people?
Teen. فواكه صح؟ تين is فواكه.
فاكهة.
فواكه تين.
فاكهة.
فواكه.
No. فاكهة.
فاكهة. أوكي. التين مفيدة.
مفيد.
مفيد.
Yes.
تين مفيد للصحة.
صح. برافو. برافو. So, the meaning of teen is fig in English. I want an Arabic man or woman who would like to learn English to put teen in a sentence, in an English sentence. Fig in an English sentence. Who can do it?
Let's go.
Yes, excellent.
I like fig fruits so much.
Oh, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. The third word is kursi. Kursi. What's the meaning of kursi?
Chair.
Chair. Yes, it's a chair. Where is the letter ya?
آخر last.
At the last. Very good. في الآخر فعلا. You told us in Arabic. في الآخر. كرسي. Did you see how can we write it? في الآخر at the end of the word.
Yes.
and it is connected with letter sa. Sa. Yes. So kursi. Sa is connected with ya, so it is مد بالياء but at the end. Teen مد بالياء but at the middle. Kursi مد بالياء but at the end. So I want someone put kursi in an Arabic sentence.
Anna, I will tell. Madrasa, al-madrasa fi kursi. I don't know how to say that.
نعم.
School has got, a classroom has got kursis.
نعم. الفصول الدراسية تحتوي على كراسي. كرسي
Okay.
is one,
Okay.
single, but plural is كراسي.
Karasi.
Yes, كراسي. Who else put kursi in an Arabic sentence?
Anna, I'm sitting now in a kursi. Ana mojud اليوم al-kursi.
أنا أقعد على الكرسي. I sit means أنا أقعد. Sit يقعد. أنا
Okay.
أقعد أو أجلس. أنا أجلس على الكرسي. أنا أجلس على الكرسي. Very good. DTM Alka, where are you? I want to hear a sentence. An Arabic sentence has the word kursi.
And I'll make a very simple sentence. Still
Yeah, really.
learning.
I like your simple sentences, really.
هذا كرسي لطيفة. هذا لطيفة كرسي.
مريح. مريح. مريح معناها comfort, right?
Sorry.
هذا كرسي مريح.
مريحة.
مريح. مريحا. مريح.
مريح.
Yes.
مريح.
هذا كرسي مريح. نعم. DTM تجلس. DTM ألقى تجلس على كرسي مريح. DTM ألقى تجلس على كرسي مريح. Very good.
Thank you.
The last word here in this slide is النادي. Where are we now?
Last.
Where are we? Yes.
Nadi Toastmasters.
Yes, we are at Nadi
At Toastmasters.
Anglo-Arab Toastmasters. Nadi.
Anglo-Arab.
So Nadi means a club.
Nadi means park also, no? Garden, park.
Yes, it's a park also, but has many sports. Okay. Nadi and Nadi. Where is the letter Ya?
It is last, but it is not joint.
Very good. It is not joined with the letter Da.
Da.
Da we can't join. Any letter with the letter Da or letter Sa, Ra, we can't join. But letter Sa, letter Ta, letter Ha, we can join. Letter Ba, we can join. But Ra, Za, Da, The, we can join any letter with the end of it. At the beginning, okay, but at the end, we can't do that. So this is An-Nadi. An-Nadi. Who can put An-Nadi in an Arabic sentence?
Anna,
Yes, please, DTM Marley.
Salmia, in Salmia we have a big garden. Okay, you cannot say garden, no? You have to talk about club.
Yes, club.
Anna Murli, I don't know what to say in member. Anna member of
عضو.
this
Member is عضو.
Odu.
Yes, عضو. 3 letters.
Anna Odu Tissa Al Nadi.
في هذا النادي. This means هذا. This. أنا عضو في هذا النادي.
No, I said I am a member of 9 clubs.
9. Okay. أنا عضو في 9 أندية. أنا
okay.
عضو في 9 أندية.
Okay.
Anglo-Arab Toastmasters أفضل النادي.
نادي Anglo-Arab Toastmasters هو أفضل الأندية. أفضل الأندية. نادي means only one.
One. Okay.
أندية means many clubs. So
Okay.
Nadi Anglo-Arab is the best of all
All
the
clubs. Okay.
yes.
Nadia.
Very good. What is this beautiful bird? What is this beautiful bird? In Arabic, yeah,
Imamat.
mama. Yes, yeah, mama. Yeah, mama. Where is the letter yeah?
First.
Beginning.
At the beginning.
أول.
الأول. What is the second letter? Who can
Ma.
say? Ma. Yes. What's the third letter?
Ma.
The third letter.
Also is ma.
The
Alif.
fourth ma. But
Alif, Alif.
Alif.
Alif,
Yes.
Ah,
Alif.
okay, okay. In that way, okay.
Okay.
Ya,
Yes.
ma, alif, ma. That is, I don't know the last letter.
No, it is
Ta marbuta.
Marbuta.
ta marbuta.
Marbuta,
Kanis? Called ta marbuta, Kanis? Or who?
Me.
You. Okay, very good. Very good. So, Yamama in English, what's mean?
Pigeon.
Parrot?
What's the meaning of Yamama in English?
Parrot?
No, not parrot.
Pigeon.
Dove, dove. Pigeon.
Bغبغان. Pigeon حمامة. Pigeon حمامة.
Dove.
Okay, pigeon.
Dove, yes, very good. Dove.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's a dove. Yes. Who likes the dove?
Everybody.
Okay. So, put Yamama in an Arabic sentence.
Yuhibu Yamama.
Who يحب اليمامة? Who? Someone.
Yamam.
Alka.
Yamam.
DTM Alka, will you please again your sentence?
I said Yuhibu Yamama.
Who is
يحبه.
يحب اليمامة? Who? Must
Ana,
put
Ana.
name.
Ana Yuhibu.
أنا أحب. أنا أحب.
Ana Uhibu.
نعم. DTM Morley يحب. يحب.
Yeah, Yuhibu is for him. Yes.
Yes. أستاذ عبد الله أيضا يحب اليمامة.
Ana Uhibu. Yes.
أنا but جمانة تحب.
Yes. Yes.
جمانة تحب.
Yes. Sorry.
عبد الله يحب.
Yes. Yes. You told
أنا
him.
أحب. So you too. أنا you هو someone man to someone but woman. Okay?
Yeah.
So put it again in a sentence.
Ana Uhibu Yamama.
Yeah.
We can say
Murli Yuhebu Yamama. Jumana Tuhebu Yamama.
Wow, wow, wow.
Great.
bravo, bravo.
Fatma, please, I need a certificate for DTM Alka, please.
Alan Wasalan.
The last one. So, these are Arabic words have letter ya at the beginning and the middle and at the end. Your homework to put some of them in sentences. Thank you very much. Back to you, Toastmaster of the day.